Damn, this is so different from my camera on my phone. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low. Is it in? Young money, syrup in the big cup. Yeah. Go turn your key on. Go turn your key on. About to scan the computer right now. Let's scan this car. Let's see how this do. Bro. Working with the twins. Working with this is Twin Cam 101, baby. Teach y'all how to do this. Yeah, now I'm not. Alright, so the first thing we had to do is take off this air vent.
Oh, now we have another problem.
Because we had ran into another problem. We got a misfire after we came back and did a scan. We had a misfire on what is it? What cylinder we have a misfire on?
Cylinder 5.
So right now we're gonna have to take off. We have to take off the air filter.
Take off the covers.
Now we're taking off the cover. Once we get off that, it's another screw back there.
Do it gently. I want to break the screw head.
Okay, now that's the last piece you take off is the oil cover, and then you gotta gently pull this valve up, cover off.
The nut's still in place.
The nut's still in there.
That's how I tell my nuts.
You always want to take your nuts gently.
This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So we got 5 back there.
And then number 6.
So it'll be 6. So we're gonna have 6 cylinders. So after moving the top valve cap, what you're gonna want to do is go ahead and
take these.
We're actually working on cylinder number 5. There's gonna be 2 screws on each side and a metal piece. So once you pull the metal piece out, you pull out the back cylinder, and you're in business. Take that out. And this is culprit right now. So what do you think? Snug?
Yeah.
Okay, now we'll do something.
Sure it's tight. Check those screws. That little push. We're not gonna put anything up.
All right. Before we take it for the test drive, we're gonna put the oil cap back on. Okay, and everything should be solid. We're gonna close the hood.
Let me drive or you got it?
We're gonna go for a drive. Okay, looks like it's running. We're gonna go ahead and go for a joyride. Code's gonna be pulling out. We got my number 1 driver. Code has been cleared off the dashboard. No check engine light. Looks like it feels like it's running better already. I got my experienced driver. Number 1 drifter in South Florida. You want to get a picture of the other BM? Oh, got a little pickup there. And take it through the neighborhood.
Much better, right?
Yeah. Alright, so we're coming through the neighborhood. Like the car is running better after changing cylinder number 5 and the cam sensor. We cleared the code and everything seems to work out good. Thank you for tuning in. 101 mechanic with J Round, J Mel. Just call us twins.
Yeah.
Yeah, twin cam right now. Mechanic, we do everything. I mean, fix computers, mechanic, sell shit, whatever y'all need. Businessman, move it across the border for you, baby. But we don't do it for free. Remember that. Don't call us asking for free stuff. And don't look at my rough cut, because I'm looking rough right now. All right, we'll go ahead and take it off. We're pulling back into the shop. We're going to go ahead and finish a couple things off. We got a motor next week we'll be dropping, the 3 Series. Yeah, this is where it's at, Adam's Discount Transmission. Back at home. Till next time, YouTube. Say out. Peace.